Hello everyone, this is Isabel and I'm back with another video. So today I wanted to do a video on my Goodwill finds. So all of this stuff I have found at the Goodwill in several of them, not all at one Goodwill. So let's see. So this is one I decided to buy. I was gonna leave it, but then I decided to take it. This was for $1, and they are travel flashcards. And I mean, I'm not going to do anything with them as they are, but I was thinking of covering them up either with paint or with paper, and they're very sturdy, and using them either as inserts into envelopes or inserts into journal pages or even as small journal covers. These are very, very sturdy, and they measure about, they're a good size. They measure about a little bit over, close to 6.5 by 5. So this would make a really good journal cover. And I didn't check if they're all in there, but it looks like there might be the 26 in there. So that's a pretty good deal, I think, for $1. So I took that. And then I took this book for $1 also. Most of the books are $1. And it is so nice. It is fully intact. It's mostly about cats, of course, because that's the title, Pussycats. And I took it because of the quotes. I do not own a cat, but I have dogs. So I just figured I would take it and maybe make a book about cats. I know my sister has a cat, and my mom also has a cat. But I took that. I saw this one also, and honestly, I don't even think that I would want to cut it up. It's already so pretty, all the graphics. But I liked the quotes that it has in here and their meanings. And of course the pictures, all the collaging that they did in there. It's very, very nice. I really liked it. So at this point, I'm not sure if I'm going to tear into it or not. I think it just looks nice like this. Okay. And then I found this one. This was also for $1. But look, it has never been used before. And it's got, I mean, I can never leave a book that has prompts. I used to be a reading teacher, and I used to use prompts on a daily basis with my kids. And this is just beautiful. I love it. And look at it, everything is intact. So this was $1 as well. And then of course, the title for this one, The Meaning of Life. I love quotes. I love anything with affirmations. And then this is just even better because it's got animals. It is just so nice. So, you know, when I'm buying these books at the thrift store, at the Goodwill, I buy them with the intention to cut them up and use them in my journals. Sometimes I do. A lot of times I do. But sometimes when I see these books, I think, oh my gosh, I think these just would look better on my desk, so that my kids can, can look at it and say, "Ooh, miss, can I look at this one?" And so again, I'm not sure if I will even cut into this one. But anything with quotes, anything with affirmations, I love to have. And then I saw this one. It's really hard to find books in my area, at least it has been for me, to find books that have anything to do with a foreign language. I see stuff with Spanish, of course, but anything else, I really don't find them. And so I saw this and I thought, oh, this is interesting. So I went ahead and took it, and I like that the print is so small also. So this was also for $1. And then I got these music books. So I do have a lot of music books already, as you know, I'm always buying them. I've stopped buying them, but I like these when I found them because of the music being so small. All the music books that I have, their print is so large, and I get it. They have to put it on a stand and they have to read from, so many inches away. So this one I just really liked because it was so much smaller. And again, this is for, I guess, for the choir. So I get that it would be smaller because they're holding it closer than they would when they're holding an instrument. So that's why I bought this one. And this one I liked because it has Christmas songs. So probably this would be perfect. Well, it would be perfect for anything, but it would definitely be perfect for a Christmas journal or Christmas cards or anything like that. Okay, so yeah, they were also $1 each. And like I mentioned, I am a dog owner of 3, of 1 pug and 2 chugs. And of course I had to take it. I did see a pug in here. Saw a pug in here. And I just love, I love dogs. I love my dogs actually, but I love, I love them so much. There's the little pug right there. So this one I probably will cut to make a pet journal. And it's a really big book. Okay, another thing I found was this. I normally try not to buy paper because I'm not sure how it's going to be. If it's going to be, all, wet or dirty or anything. But I thought, well, it was $2, and I thought, well, I love this paper, and of course, I'm not gonna buy it I sometimes I do, but most of the time I don't buy from the Office Max or the Office Depot because of how expensive it is. So I figured, well, you know what, I'm gonna try it, and I was so lucky that the paper is all intact. I didn't count if it's a complete set, but who cares? Look. Everything is so good. There's no warping. There's no damage to it. Everything is good. And I didn't read the title, but it has envelopes. The same kind. They're that linen paper. So pretty. So I'm glad I took this paper. Usually I stay away from it. But I'm glad I took it this time around. Okay. Another thing I bought was this one. And again, 1001 things it means to be a dad. And my husband is a dad of 3 boys. And oh my gosh, it's just a whole bunch of little quotes, which is perfect because I'm always doing journals that involve my boys, or in my journals I always put something in there having to do with my 3 boys. And this is going to tie into me being able to tie something to my husband because he is a great father to my kids. To our kids, of course. But I like this one. And again, like I said, I love anything that has quotes or any type of affirmation. Another thing that I found was this one. It is I guess it's like a display box. And I bought it. I can't really use it for myself because my stuff is too big. But I bought it so that I could maybe put my boys' Legos. It's it's not very deep and they're not very big. But all my boys have lots of little Legos that I thought this would be perfect to display them and hang them on the wall. So this, it does need a little bit fixing up to do. But I thought it was pretty good. And this one was for $3. Okay, and then a couple more things that I bought were these Shakespeare books. They are also very small print that I can easily cut and put into my junk journals. And this one has a really good coloring to their pages. I found another music book. And again, this is also smaller print, which I like. It's you can make tags with something like this. Like I said, all the other music books that I have, all the other music sheets that I have, the books are so large. So these are, I figured this was a good size. And then the last thing I bought, all of this that I Oh wait, I'm sorry. There's one more thing I wanted to show you. The thing I bought was this one. This is the second one I find at a Goodwill. The other one looks a little bit different, but it's the same idea. It's like a stand to hold pictures. And, I mean, it's kind of not really pretty. I need to clean it up. But it has these plastic sleeves, and you can insert the picture through the side. And so, again, like I said, this is the second one I find. But I'm thinking that I'm just going to alter it completely and probably use it for just index cards that I alter and just display them. Another way to display them here, maybe with, again, some quotes, some affirmations that I really like. But that's probably what I'll be doing. I don't think I'll be putting pictures in here, but more than likely it'll be, like I said, quotes or just cards that I alter. That's how I plan on using this. And again, this is the second one I buy, and I see them and I think, God, I'm gonna buy it. I'm gonna take it because I like it. Anything to be able to put something on your desk with the stuff that you create, I always think is a good idea. And then the last thing I found in this one trip, I think we went to 3 Goodwills. I want to say on Tuesday. Yeah, this past Tuesday we went to about 3 Goodwills in our area, and that's where I found all this stuff. And the last one was this one. This one I was really excited. This is where we stopped. This was the 3rd Goodwill. And I try not to buy a lot of stuff because I do have a lot of stuff from Goodwill stores already. But when I saw this, I thought, oh my gosh. It is not vintage. It is actually, I'm thinking that you can find this at Walmart. If I've seen them before, I probably have just ignored them because I try really, really hard not to spend a lot of money on stuff that I don't need. So when I saw this and they're giving it to me for $1, I thought, oh my gosh, this I definitely can use. I can make tags. I can alter my pages. I was like, told my husband, okay, you know what? We can go. We're done with the Goodwills. I found something that I've been wanting for a while. So that was the last store. And yeah, this is really nice. I feel like it's even a bonus that I got it in this little binder that I can also use. But for sure, I will be cutting up these ledger cards. But yes, so I found so much stuff at the Goodwill. When I go to the Goodwill, I'm always searching for books to buy. That's mainly the thing that I'm looking for, is anything that I can cut up. Anything that I can use. For my junk journal. So this is good stuff. That's it. That's all I wanted to share. This is the first haul of Goodwill stuff that I have found. So I'm hoping that you maybe found something useful in what I've said. And I thank you so much for watching. And I will see you again later. Thank you.